welcome back to my channel, my darling. So for today we will be doing something so unique, and before I continue, I want to say I'm so sorry that it's taking forever for me to post a video, and that's because I've been sick. However, I'm back now and I hope that I won't get sick anymore, my loves. So for today we are going to be making something that I really love, and that's Attièke. If you're from Ivory Coast, you already know exactly what this is by looking at it. And if you're from Liberia, then of course you're here with me, my loves. If you want to see how I made this beauty, I mean from the Attièke to the fried fish to the fried plantains, the salad and the peppers, my love, please keep watching, my darlings. To get started, we want to prepare the sauce. Okay, since it's going to take some time to cook, the first thing you want to do is prepare your sauce. Now I'm going to be using some tomatoes for the sauce. What I'm doing here is just removing the seeds. Okay, so just remove the seeds, or just cut your tomatoes and transfer into your blender. Once I'm done with my tomatoes, I'm going to go ahead and add in my next ingredient, which is my red bell peppers. Just slice that in the same way you did with the tomatoes. The next thing I'm gonna add in some of my garlic cloves. Now guys, this is purely optional, and you can see that I didn't use a lot, guys. And the next I'm going to add in some of my onions. Okay, and the next ingredient will be my scotch bonnet. Okay, so I'm just gonna add that in for some heat. And the next ingredient will be my ginger. Okay guys, the garlic is optional, but the ginger, if you want a change of flavors, guys, add ginger. Okay, so this I'm just going to go ahead and add in some water just to aid my blades. Okay, like my blades moving, and I'm just going to stop. So right here is just my hot pan and some vegetable oil. Okay, you can use any oil of your choice, any cooking oil of your choice, and to it just go ahead and throw in some chopped onions. Okay, let that fry for about 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, after 1 minute 30 seconds, please go ahead and add in your mixed blended peppers. Okay, and guys, you want to fry this on low heat. Okay, like low to medium heat, like medium to low, but I'm going to go with low because I want this to slowly fry. And to it, I'm going to add in some salt and let this fry, like fry until you can see oil settling at the top, just like my normal regular stews. The only difference is this is pepper stew, okay, or pepper sauce. So the next thing we want to do is prepare or marinate our fish. Okay, if you're using chicken or fish, then this is the time. I'm going to be using tilapia for this recipe. Okay, to this I'm going to add in some bay leaf, some smoked paprika, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice, black pepper, and some salt. Okay, give that a good mix and let it marinate for about an hour. The next thing you want to do is prepare your ripe plantains. Okay, now just cut that like that. So peel it. It's so simple. And then just roughly take out, the dirt. You're out of it. In order to cut it is very simple. Okay, so just slice like that in sizes that's okay for you. If you want them bigger or smaller than this, please feel free to do just that. Okay, once you're done with your plantains, the next thing you want to go ahead and add is just some salt. Do this. I'm just going to use my clean film and cover this and then just set it aside. Okay, my darlings, this recipe has a lot of side dishes, like a lot. So for the salad, I'm going to be using some cucumber. My first ingredient will be my cucumber. And guys, if you want, you can just peel your cucumber. Peel the skin. Okay, but for me, I like eating my cucumbers without peeling it, and this is organic cucumber, so I don't really need to peel it. Next ingredient will be my tomatoes. Now you can see that I've removed the seeds in the tomatoes. Okay, if you want to use the seed, feel free, but guys, this is salad. The seed will just make it too liquidy. Or if you must, you can use cherry tomatoes if you want instead. They go better with salad, okay? Next up, I have my onions, okay? And I'm just going to chop this in like beautiful sizes. Like you want them in not very tiny, but tiny, if that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing here, right? For this salad, okay, normally they'll just leave it like this and then eat it like this, but for me, I want to tame the onions just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my apple cider vinegar. Yes guys, just give that a good mix and then set in your refrigerator. Now it doesn't matter how long, just let this sit there until when you're ready to start eating, okay? The next thing you want to go ahead and add is just, you want to season this up, okay? So I'm going to add in some Maggi, okay? I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt. Remember, we added salt at the beginning. Let that simmer for about 3 minutes and take it off the heat. While I'm doing this, guys, I'm already frying my plantains, okay? And I'll be frying it off camera, but I'll just be using my deep fryer. You guys already know how I fry. I have a recipe on this channel how to fry your plantains and how to fry your fish in your deep fryer. I have many videos about that here. My darlings, it's time to make my favorite part, which is the acheke. Yes guys, so right here is just my white garri, okay? To this garri, I'm going to add in just a little bit of water. Yes, the idea is you don't want to, we're not soaking this garri, you just want to add water until every, like all of this garri has like water in it, if that makes sense. Guys, once I have it like this, okay, you can see that I'm able to like fold this together or mold this, okay? This is what you want to get. Once you sorted that out, you want to go ahead and add in some vegetable oil. Now add little at a time. I'm going to add in some Maggi, even though most people don't add this, but guys, just like my rice, I like it really seasoned, and to it I'm adding just some salt. I'm just going to give that a good mix, okay? The idea is you want to add your oil. You want enough oil in this, okay? I'm still going to add more oil because the oil will just help separate all the grains of the garri or the acheke, okay? So that's why you add oil. You add, stir, add, and see if it's what you want, okay? Okay guys, so once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add in some onions. Now this is optional, okay? This time I'm going to go ahead and put in my acheke into my rubber bowl. The reason why I'm doing this, I want to send this, we have to cook this acheke. I'll be using the microwave method, okay? I'll be microwaving this for 10 minutes, 5 minutes each. The reason why I'm doing 5 minutes, my microwave is very hot. So you want to do this, take it out, check if it's okay and if it's not burning or drying out, and then add water if necessary. Send it back to the microwave until you're satisfied with the texture and the color. After 5 minutes, okay, you can see that the color is gradually turning. So you just want to take it out and just stir it the way I'm doing like this, but it's not yet ready. You can see that some are still hot, okay? So I'm just going to stir this again and send it back to the microwave. And I don't need to add water because I made sure that I added enough water from the very beginning. My loves, at this time you can already see that this acheke is ready. Now the next thing we have to do is assemble this acheke. My loves, can you see the amazing result that we got? Now this is just amazing. I can't emphasize enough that I really enjoyed this recipe. Now this is just our fried fish, our fried ripe plantains, our salad, our fried tomato or pepper sauce, and here is a star of the dish, which is the acheke. Guys, the only thing that is left is just Put this in any way that you like, your fish, your salad, your plantain, your pepper, and enjoy this meal. You're going to love it, and let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. Okay guys, my love, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please darling subscribe. Let's make this family bigger. Please loves, take care of yourselves and see you in my next video. Bye bye.